What if your home could help you breathe better, think clearer, and live more mindfully without needing more space? Welcome to a mindful mini home where intentional design meets inner peace. Every corner whispers calm, and each element is chosen with care. This isn't just small space living, it's soulful space living. The entry is uncluttered, yet warm. A single bench to pause, a place to remove shoes, and with them, the weight of the world. Here, the transition begins, from the outside noise to the inside stillness. It's not just a threshold, it's a mental reset. Open, light-filled, and calming, the living room is made for slow mornings and quiet evenings. A sanctuary within a sanctuary. The softness of textures and flow of light make this more than a place to sit. It's a space to simply be. The kitchen is compact but intentional. Open shelving, soft lighting, and tools you actually use. It invites conscious nourishment. Here, meals are not rushed. They're prepared with awareness, shared with presence, and enjoyed with gratitude. More than a place to eat, the dining space is where connection lives. A simple table, warm light, and meaningful pauses. Every meal is an opportunity to breathe, to reconnect, to taste life fully. The bedroom is your personal temple. Low furniture, soft fabrics, and a palette that encourages deep rest and gentle mornings. It's not about excess, but essence. Just enough to support rest and nothing to distract from it. This is where ritual meets function. The bathroom is clean, calm, with flowing lines and nature-inspired materials. Each bath, each wash, becomes an act of mindfulness, a small ceremony of self-care repeated daily. A small desk, a window view, and silence. The workspace isn't grand, it's grounded. Designed for focus without frenzy. It doesn't demand productivity. It invites creativity, gently and naturally. This is the heart of stillness. A small mat, soft floor, filtered light. A sacred space not for doing, but for being. Sometimes the smallest corners carry the deepest peace. The exterior welcomes you with humility, earthy tones, clean lines, and greenery that soften the edges. A space that doesn't shout, but whispers calm. In the simplicity of the facade lies the first invitation to slow down. It reminds us that beauty doesn't need to be loud, it only needs to be real. A mindful life doesn't need more square footage, it needs more intention. If this space resonates with your vision of calm, like, comment, and subscribe for more inspiring interiors.